All right, folks, what's going on? Day 3. That's right. Here at the Tackle Warehouse, Stop 2, Lake Hartwell. The storms have rolled through, so we're blessed with another beautiful day to fish today. We just sang the national anthem, said a little prayer, so we're getting ready for blast off. Had to do a little maintenance this morning, that's right. My transducer wire on my live scope has gotten pinched. Had to do a little electric tape. The electric tape work. May have a little interference there, but we got her out of the way. We got her out of the way now. Yeah. Did a little taping. I think we're good, but it's time to get after it and have a little fun today. We're gonna go for spotted bass in the morning. Hopefully get our limit quick, and then we're gonna go head hunting up in the shallows, baby. Largemouth in the junk, the way I like it. Come on. Thank y'all. Yes, sir. God bless y'all. Last day. Yes. Yes, baby. Giant. goodness. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Look at that beast. Yeah. 513. Joshua Weaver pulled up, son. He's on the other side of the point. Yeah. We neck and neck. I got 4 in the live well, a 3-pounder and then 1-pounder. Yep. The thunderstorms.
Yeah, they don't like that light.
Nope. Seven call. No, I threw back a 1.7 for 2.3. So, 14-ounce call. Yeah. It's on like Donkey Kong, son. We head hunting now. Thunderstorms rolling in. Sun shining. It's time to get a big one. I didn't have y'all on. It just happened, baby. The old plopper. Big explosion. Yes. Yeah. That's what we after, baby. Red or yellow. Yes. Red goes back. How it didn't pull the hooks out. He hit right here at the boat. I tried to house him, he dove back down. And I'm sitting there trying to hit the button and I just stick my rod like palm down in the water because he went straight down. Finally got my button mashed. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, Hal. That was for you, son. We've been talking about the plopper all week. And it's time. Plopper time. Calm down, fish. Yes. All right. Out of call, baby, out of call. Out of call. I'm happy. Where we get bags at?
He's got bags over there and golf carts. We'll park on that dock.
Hey, Bill. Good job, man.
Thank you. All right, folks, here we are. Here we are, back at the weigh-in. Yes. It was a fun day of fishing, I'm talking. There's the two little ones. Tried to call them 2-pounders. Get them out at the same time. I don't know if it's a good idea, actually. I'm going one at a time. Calm down, calm down. There's one. There's two. Two spots. Two 2-pound spotted bass. Here's the big daddies right here. Yeah. Get up in there. Go with this 3-pounder. Lean spot. Yes. Meat. Straight meat. And then this 3-pounder. Get the whopper. Yes. Get ready for old Big Daddy. Let's get him out. Meat. Oh yeah. Oh, I like it when they mean. I like it when they mean. Boom, shakalaka.
1 pound, 1 ounce. Come see me, Lucas.
Yes, sir.
From Georgia, 15-3 on day 1, 15-2 on day 2. And that had him sitting in 16th place with 30 pounds and 5 ounces. Let's hear it for Lucas Black. All right, here we go, Lucas. A 5 bass limit on Championship Sunday. Work. 16 pounds, 6 ounces. Got you up to 46-11. 46-11's got you in 5th place, man. You got anything in there we need to take a look at?
Yes, sir.
All right, put it right there. Let's see your 2 best bass. Oh, yeah, you got some good ones. Wow. Man. That's a good one.
Yep.
You want to weigh her? Just
sure.
for fun of it. We ain't weighed one yet. Why not?
Kyle had a big one.
That one goes 513. 513
Thank you.
for the kicker. Let's talk about it, Lucas. Great week on the water this week, man. And it's payday for you. You made the Championship Sunday.
Yes, sir. You've heard that saying, fishing is good for the soul. And that's because when we're out here in God's creation, He makes Himself known. Whether we realize it or not, when we're out there on the water and we feel that peace, we're in His presence. And so I'm just blessed to be here, man. It's, you know, I grew up fishing tournaments. When I was a kid, it kept me out of trouble on Friday nights. During the summers, I went fishing instead of out on the town. And so I'd like to thank my parents for that. And, you know, it was an awesome week, man. I had a blast. I love fishing in March, and the full moon was out. And so I just went cranking and threw a worm and top water, and that's how I like to fish.
I love it, man. Anybody out there, anywhere in the Major League Fishing universe you want to give a quick shout out to? Your time, Lucas.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I want to say hello to the family. Thank y'all for watching, hanging in there with me. Love you guys. We'll see you soon. And, man, I'm just blessed. And
love it.
I want to tell y'all thanks for coming out. It's awesome to see all y'all.
There you go. He sits in 5th place. Lucas Black.
All right, folks, what's going on? This is the day 3 Lake Hartwell rundown right here. I come into this day with a new plan. Yes, not necessarily a new plan, but a little bit of change in strategy, because I felt like the largemouth bite was the key to moving up, to getting a big bag, okay? And so I said, let me go catch a limit of spots, doing what I was doing. The cranking was my main deal. Right here it is. All right, you guys check out the day 2 and day 1 video, especially the day 1. I really break down my cranking setup. So if you want to see that, go click on the video and watch it, and I'll break that setup down for you. But I felt like I could catch a limit of spots doing that on those secondary points, and then I was going to move up shallow, because day 2 I caught one up shallow. Yes, fired me up. And so that was an awesome catch, an awesome bite. You guys check that out as well. And that was right at the final minutes, right before weigh-in, to bump me up into that 15-pound sack. And so come in today, day 3, in 16th place. And after my weigh-in, I moved up to 15th place. All right, passed a guy. Don't even know who it was, but anyway. But yes, so day 3, I guess I was influenced by day 2. I caught that big spotted bass on the shaky head right in this hook of this point, right? There was a little hook in it. My rod broke. I had super glue everywhere. I didn't want to use the rod that I was cranking with, so I set it down. I threw my shaky head out there and caught like a 3-pounder. Go check that out. It was a great catch. And so that's what I want to talk to you guys about. I threw it a little more. On day 3, but right there it is. That is the peanut butter and jelly 3/16 ounce shaky head right there. Aztecs plastic. And that is, man, I love that setup right there. And I had it on a 12-pound Seagar InvitAtionals fluorocarbon leader with a 10-pound braid right there, and on a medium action rod. I just love that setup. Feels good. I like fishing finesse sometimes, and if I do, that's one of my go-to setups right there. It's hard to beat a shaky head. And so I threw that a little more on day 3 on these points. I can't really remember how many fish I caught on it, but I did pull up to a dock that had some fish on it I saw in practice, went back to it. I could see them on forward facing sonar. They wouldn't bite anything. They would follow my lure down, and so they were interested in that shaky head. But I dug into the day box and I put a little chartreuse dye on it, and really it was, I guess, for the scent. And so I threw it out there, got bit. That was a good one. I think it was almost 3 pounds, like 2 3/4 or 214. But I was really excited about moving up shallow and fishing for largemouth. And lo and behold, I catch a big largemouth on the cranking setup. That was a great surprise, a great blessing from the Lord. Threw out there, saw like, I guess 2 or 3 fish together, and threw out there, and the big 514 largemouth ate it. But I do want to talk to you guys about this setup that I went when I went up shallow and fished. It's one of my favorites. I've talked to you guys about it before if you've watched my channel. Yes, right there it is. The old prop style bait. This was tied to old 50-pound braid right here. The Seagar braid. And I love this setup right here. Just throwing it around, lay downs, targeting any kind of wood or anything you think a largemouth might be on. That's what I threw right there. And it put a good one in the boat. I got a little upgrade on it. It was like a 3-pound, 2-ounce largemouth there at the end of the day. And that was a fun bite. I felt like dingier water, those areas that were a little protected, like in the creeks and stuff, the water was warming up faster, okay? And so those largemouth were moving up, and they were a key player in this tournament, as they always are at Lake Hartwell. And so I just had to. That's what I like to do. Yes, I felt like I could catch more spotted bass, and I did catch more spotted bass. And so, but I wanted to move up. I wanted to fish for some largemouth and fish top water, because that's what I like doing. And so the old prop style bait right there, hey, it just gets bit, and it's so much fun when it does. But that was the main setup. Man, I had a blast on this tournament. Hope you guys enjoyed this Lake Hartwell series, right? This 3-day series. I appreciate you guys joining, watching the channel. Hope you guys like this video. Send it to a friend, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, click the notification symbol. We'll see you next time on Real Life with Lucas Black.